Hello my lovelies, how are you doing today? Okay, so yeah, today very extra look. Hi, how are you? My hair isn't done right now. I just want to be able to show you guys how fun makeup can be. Makeup is something that when you're super comfortable with it, it'll just be like second nature to you, and I want you to have that skill as well. Let's get started with this makeup video. Okay guys, I'm super excited to get right into this makeup look. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna put my hair out of my face. My ears are gonna look a little bit weird because I'm putting these clips on them, balancing the clip on my ear because it's the best way for me to do that. Whew. Guys, if you know me and you're following me on Instagram, I am busy watching Love is Blind. I'm also kind of watching The Bachelor South Africa, which it's so cringe. Watch Love is Blind. If you want to watch a dating show, Love is Blind is the one. I'm trying to go cruelty free. I'm in a process of seeing what I still have and then using it as much as possible until it's finished, until it goes weird, until it goes awful, whatever it is. I'm in a process of literally eliminating what I have and then replacing it with something that's more sustainable for the environment, something that's cruelty-free, vegan. One of my favorite products though that I am using that is part of a vegan brand, NYX, which is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So after I've cleaned my face, put my moisturizer on and everything, I put on some highlighter, and I like to do this on my cheekbones and then just underneath my eyes, nose, there as well. Just having a look in the mirror here. I haven't filmed a makeup video for so long, so I'm like, how do you do this again? Right now I'm just using Shell from MAC Cosmetics. I'm trying to finish this as well. You can see I hit pan. I'm very excited. I'm like, yes, it's nearly finished. But it is a nice product. Using Hush now from MAC Cosmetics. It's also a cream blush. I just really like the cream blushes because then it smooths out the skin as well. It's like highlighters and it smooths it out a little bit. Just fills in the pores a little bit more. I will prime the eyes. I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Concealer in medium. I'm not actually going to be supporting Revlon anymore because I have to go 100% vegan and cruelty friendly. And when I say I have to, I mean it's just who I am going to be from now on. It's a decision that I'm making. Just like the decision to still be alive and still keep fighting every day and to still want to be around. It's like the decision to not drink. It's the decision to, you need to make a decision on the kind of person you want to be in life. That decision for me is supporting brands that support a better way of living. I feel like you lose a lot of brand deals that you could have had and things like that when you go this way. But at the same time, I don't want to be supporting brands that don't support that way of living. Okay, so now that I've done priming the eye with some concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Love Contour palette. You guys know I have this. And you can see my palettes are like basically untouched and I do use them. I don't really wear that much makeup to be honest, like every day, but so we're using this cream color over here. I'm just kind of priming the eye, the base color, and then we'll go from there. Let's go crazy with this makeup look because I'm wearing like orange. I'm gonna use this glitter palette. I'm just wondering what I'm gonna do with it now. I'm gonna do like a really nice smoky eye, but I'm gonna start with blowing out browns. I'm just gonna take bronze color over here and I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna place it like all over my eye. I'm gonna do like a really nice smoky. I like using browns first because it's a lot nicer to blend out and it's not as harsh, I think. I'm taking the Kayla 311 brush and I'm using that with this black over here. Okay, I'm loving this actually. That's so pretty. So like exotic. I love that. Okay, just going back into that black. Guys, no, but Love is Blind. I'm watching the season finale right now where they're all getting married and I'm just like, ah. Like, oh my gosh. Can you see, like, there's not a lot of fallout. I'm really being so gentle with where I'm placing everything. I just changed the clips that I had in my hair because they were hurting my ears a little bit too much, but these are a little bit better. To take this and put it on my eye, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to go into this color over here. I think that one is number 10. It's just number 10, so I'm guessing that's number 10. Okay, cool. Yes, I actually love that. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what I wanted. Actually, I had no idea what I was going for, but this is amazing. I like this. I had no idea what I was doing, and this is nice. I like how it's turning. I'm excited to make it very crazy. I'm gonna make it crazy, so I'm gonna go in with this one. This is number 1 on the palette. Cool. I'm gonna go in with that. Oh, it's happening. Okay, it's Ultra. It's Ultra Music Festival. We're going all out here for Ultra. It's fine. It's fine. We're going Swan Lake vibes right now. It's turning into something out of control, very wild, and it's okay. This is fine. This is okay. Okay, it's happening. We're doing it on the other side because apparently I liked it. I'm gonna be using the Revlon Instafix. Sorry, I was just making up my own words over there. This one is in 170 Golden Beige. I've actually been using this now. I had it in my kit and then I hadn't been using it, so I was like, I gotta finish this because it's not vegan. Because that's the one thing about makeup, is there's always gonna be something new. There's always gonna be something like, what are you gonna stand for? Like, what is your, who are you, and what do you want to be in this world? I just realized, I was like, I want to be a person that cares, because I am. I care so much about fucking everything. So I was like, be true to that then. If you care about everything, then you care about what you do to yourself, what you put in your body. You care about the products that you're using. You care about the brands you're supporting. And I was like, that's so true, because if I don't stand for anything, I think it was that script song. Yeah, the script. If you don't stand for something, then you'll fall for anything. And I was like, yes, BB, this is my motto in life. I need to have goals, and I need to have some sort of, you know, something. You have to stand for something, guys. Otherwise, why are you here? But I guess like everyone can live their life however they want. I just think for myself, I was like, I want to be that person, and that's what I'm doing. But yeah, guys, you can see this foundation's like pretty decent. I don't hate it. It's always been like one of my favorites. Like, I've been just using it as like a go-to recently, just because it's something that I just have in my possession. I'm not gonna go buy another one, but I just want to finish the one I already have, and then after that I'm going to just, you know, suss out other products. So I'm excited. No, but seriously, this like silver thing, I'm gonna have to like extend it on both sides. It looks weird as but whatever. You know, like, you just hope that the thing will come together, the makeup look will come together at the end. You know, just, you know, that's all I end up hoping. It's just like, please just like work. After all this, can it just like be for something? So I have a pimple over here, and now it doesn't look like I have one anymore because foundation. Okay guys, I need music. I'm going crazy. I need something. But first, I'm going to show you guys back that highlight palette. And I'm going to be using this. Yeah. We're going to be putting strobe over here. Strobe, come at me. And then we're going here. I actually really like how extra it is. I don't think I'm going to do much on my brows. I think what I'll do is I'll just add some more of this glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I never use these colors because I just don't. What they are is, it's an Almay Goddess Gloss in Ethereal. My English. And then we have this matte lipstick in Power of My Spirit from MAC Cosmetics that I got when I was still working there. That's 2016, guys. That's 4 years ago. It still smells fine, so I think it's okay. And then we have the NYX, the Suede Liquid Lipstick. And then this one is in Stone Fox. Okay, so that's that one. So I'm going to layer first with this. Then I'm going to pump a bit of this on top, and then some gloss. So that's what the lips are going to look like. But I did just first want to powder real quick, because I like to skip steps. Okay, I'm just gonna apply the medium Almay powder all over my face. This is the pressed powder, and I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm just applying this everywhere. But I'm not making it too heavy, it's just kind of set in everything into place. And I hit pan, guys. And I can't be supporting Almay because it's not vegan. I'm gonna just put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna use the medium Revlon concealer again. Hi. I'm just gonna blend that. Cool. Don't chase me. I'm just using a flat paddle brush and I'm using the medium crease powder. I'm just pressing this one.
I've been told you can't forget where I've been once I have left. I wanna hear what that mark meant. There's nothing sad or nothing mad. Hate me or love me, I'll drive you wild. Let it all go, give it to me. I wanna hear you scream, scream.
I'm just gonna wait for my lips to dry because there's a lot of product on there. I'm using the NYX Genius Eliminator palette and I'm just going in with this like purple tone over here. I'm trying to use interesting colors right now. So it's like a more lavendery type of color and I'm just placing that on my cheekbone. Guys, I'm digging this look actually so much. It's so weird and wild and wonderful. I'm just like, yes, you're playing with makeup, Marina. Let's go, let's have fun. Yes, baby. This is so fun. I'm gonna be using this like glitter stuff. Glitter freckles. My eyes are burning. This is not good for you. Oh my god. I'm not crying. Okay, it's the glitter glue. Whatever this is. It's coming out really extra. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, let's finish up the lips. So it's basically nearly dry. I can feel that. Yeah. Going to do some liquid eyeliner, but I'm going to do that off camera. This one is the waterproof one. It's liquid ink and it's in black and I love it so much. This one is like my go-to during the day if I just want to do like a quick eyeliner. It's super quick and easy. I love it. So this is how it looks like and I'm just gonna quickly apply it, but I'm gonna do that off camera. Transition. That's my eyeliner done. So now I'm just gonna go grab some mascara and pop that on and I'll be right back. I just used the Avon mascara and yeah, I'm not gonna put on lashes. I'm so excited to show you.
There's nothing sad or nothing mad. Hate me or love me, I'll drive you wild. Let it all go, give it to me. I wanna hear you scream, scream out my name. I wanna hear you.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I'm super excited to then bring to you guys another video where I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. So make sure that you subscribe. I've got a lot of videos that I post every now and then. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below how you doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I hear you scream.